All right, thank you. What an awesome dance. Right in the right. Hey, next we're gonna have the bride and groom's first dance. So if you get Randy down here. And this song's gonna be played by the band over here. But I just wanna tell you guys a little bit something about this song. This is the first song where Randy and Maria met each other online on the YouTube channel that they have going on. And so this is their song, and let this be a memorization for your life. Okay, let's give a round of applause for the bride and groom with their first dance.